Hey, it's Steve Valentine, and today we're talking property management and how to remove the monkey from owning rental properties with the very lovely Debbie Valentine. Hey, it's Steve Valentine, and I'm here with Debbie Valentine, not only my mom, but the best property manager in the Valley. So look, we're gonna talk about the three biggest monkeys VSM, which is Valentine Sales and Management, can take off your plate when you own investment properties. So here it is. Debbie, we're gonna talk about the three biggest monkeys: tenant screening, putting somebody between the investor and the tenant, and then also the third would be accounting and maintaining the property. And so let's just kick it off with the first monkey, tenant screening. Just explain a little bit about the tenant screening and why it's so important to the investor and their long-term and their cash flow.
Well, with the tenant screening that we do is actually an art and a science. It's not just a little online checking. We go into great detail on tenant screening, making sure that we get the right tenant in there. And not only just background checks, but past rental history, and to making sure that they are employed.
And they have good job history as well.
Yes,
okay.
And that they have earned enough money to be able to afford the property they're renting.
Okay, got it, that makes sense. So, going into the second monkey, we talk about putting that third party in between the investor and the tenant. And why is that such an important piece?
Well, that's important because, oftentimes if a tenant would run into a little roadblock, maybe they're a little short on rent or whatever, if they're chummy with the owner, they may just call the owner up and say, hey, I'm going to be a little late, and the owner says, okay, and trying to be their friend, and then, it could run into some legal difficulties, and so you have the property manager requires rent be paid at such and such time, and there's actually a process if it's not. So that can save the owner a lot of time and potentially money too.
Got it. See, and I look at hiring that third party. See, VSM handles all of my investment properties and along with a lot of my clients. And I always look at it from the standpoint that the cost for property management is so minute. I actually did the figures on it yesterday on average. On average, it cost me about 0.01% of my assets value to have it managed annually. And for me, that's just buying time. I don't want to mess with tenants. I don't want to get calls on this stuff. That's what they do. And so if you can buy that time, I highly recommend it. It's super inexpensive and reasonable when it comes down to it, and you don't have the headaches involved. If you're on vacation or doing those things and you're trying to manage a tenant or a repair, it's just not a fun thing to do, let's face it. But owning rental properties is awesome, but a lot of people think it's a daunting task. But when you put a property manager in place, it doesn't become as daunting. And remember, the rental property is really your 401k, and you want somebody to manage that. So we pay people to manage our investment portfolios, and it should be the same thing that you look at with your properties, that you pay somebody to manage that property. Because on the third monkey, this is where it gets into the nitty gritty that is probably, in my case, or my eyes, is the most valuable piece when it comes down to the third monkey is the accounting and the maintenance of the property. So let's face it, maintaining these rental properties is so important because if maintenance is let go, you're letting the property go. You're decreasing the value rather than increasing the value, not only for the property, but for the tenant. And that tenant is paying into your 401k every month. And so it's really important. So Debbie, why don't you talk a little bit about the accounting and the maintenance piece of it?
Well, let me start with the maintenance side of it. We do have 24/7 maintenance availability. Mm-hmm. So if there is an emergency on the weekend, and that's usually when our air conditioners go out, is on the weekends. Yep. So you are not getting called. Your property manager, maintenance field guy is getting called, and he'll handle the call, field the call. We have great vendors who do so much business with us that we get good discounts on their services, and a timely service as well. And because there are landlord-tenant laws that require certain things to be fixed within a certain period of time. And many people that just manage their own property may not know that. So anyway, we make sure that we stay within those lines and take good care of the tenants as well. So if you're on vacation or whatever, that's the last thing you want to be getting is a call that someone's AC is not working.
Right, and then trying to find the company as well to take care of it in a busy season.
So not only the emergency calls, but also any maintenance calls that need to be done. We'll check it out and get it done, take pictures of the work that was actually done, and document everything for the file, for the property file. And then the third part of that we're talking about is accounting, making sure that every month that you have a statement that gives accountability for any maintenance that was done and invoices and that. We have a full-time accountant that does these, and then send owner proceeds out. And we're always available to answer any questions you might have about that.
Okay, that's awesome. No, and I commend them for what they do, because property management is really a very hard position to be in when you're in this company, because what you're trying to do is maintain the relationship between the investor and the tenant. And what you want in a property manager is somebody that's going to do both. We love the investors and we do a lot for the investors, but you also have to learn to love the tenants. And the reason being is that the tenants are people and families, and we need to take care of them, because again, if you're taking care of the tenant, I'm not talking about spoiling the tenant, but I'm talking about treating them like they're human beings. And when it comes down to it, the tenants are important to the investor. The longer term the tenant is there, the less outgo and outflow of your cash goes out for every turn that happens. So Debbie just does an amazing job when it comes down to her and her staff and taking care of the tenants and the investors and making sure the communication is done. And I know firsthand that the negotiations they've done with their vendors gives the investor the best price to keep their outgo, their annual expenses down. So at the end of the day, I highly recommend that you hire a property management company, especially VSM. That's where it should be, no matter what. And so, Debbie, where can they find you online? What's the process to get in touch with you?
Yeah, we're online at ValentineTeam.com, and then we're also on Facebook, Valentine Team, and they can call us at 602-866-0150.
Awesome. Great. And to let you know, I'm Steve Valentine with the Valentine Group. I'm the strategic acquisition and real estate partner with VSM. And so at any given time, if you're thinking about investing more or finding more rental properties or potentially selling a property, or maybe you just want analysis of your current portfolio, we do a lot of analysis to see what your long-term plan is and what your short-term plan is, so that we can strategically work with your investment properties. And that's what we do here. So at Valentine Group, you can follow us on all the social platforms, from Instagram to Facebook and Snapchat, and hit us up on our website at ValentineGroupAZ.com. And we look forward to serving you in the future.